Hello there and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create YouTube thumbnails like what you see on the screen without designing it yourself. You don't need to have any design skills. Would you like to learn how? Yeah, I'm sure you do. All right, so this is one example and I'll show you one more example. This also. And I didn't choose the fonts, I didn't choose the colors, I didn't choose the pictures, everything done automatically. You want to learn how? Ready? Okay, so I'm gonna take you to ChatGPT first, and I'm gonna show you some of the image descriptions that I have here, and we're gonna use one of these to create a YouTube thumbnail. So let's say that this one, okay, 10 life hacks you won't believe. This is a YouTube video, and this is the description. So let's check it out. All right, here we are in this software, and I'm going to show you what it is in just a moment. I've pasted it in there. I'm going to choose, these are the settings. I'm going to choose 16:9. Have this public model. I'm going to use 1.0. If not, it'll use 2 credits. So I just want to use 1 credit per generation. So I'm going to use 1.0. If I use 2.0, it's going to use 2 credits, and I have about 10 credits to use per day. So I'm going to be stingy about it, and I'm going to click on generate. The title is 10 life hacks you won't believe, and that is going to be on screen. Let's see what it does. So while that's generating, let me show you some of the other images that I generated for this. I think you saw this. You saw this one. Did you see this? I don't think so. But look at this. Old tech versus new TV. This added the TV into it, so that is why I did not use it. Oh, look at this at the bottom here. Let's look at our images. 10 life hacks you won't believe. Now, could you design something like this by yourself using Canva or any other tool? I don't think so. This image won't be available there also. Check this one out. Oh wow, 10 life hacks you won't believe. Now there's a spelling mistake here. If not, apart from that, this is a superb image. Let's check this out. Oh, this is nice. 10 life hacks you won't believe. Wow. And this one, your YouTube thumbnail. You know what? Why do you need a thumbnail that looks like this? Capture attention of the scroller, the person who's scrolling through YouTube feed, either on the mobile phone or on the desktop or PC or Mac, wherever. Stop them in their tracks and get them to click our video. That is why we need thumbnails like this. And what tool am I using for this? This is called ideogram. So let's go to the homepage of ideogram. Okay, so ideogram, and these are some of the images that people have been creating. It's free to use, as in you get 10 credits per day. And look at this, it creates text. Now that is what we want, right? Text on our images, and that's going to serve as our thumbnail. Lots of different beautiful images that this tool creates. All you have to do is go into ideogram.ai. okay, it's ideogram.ai. You'll find the link in the description below, and then you can start creating. So how do you create it? You need a prompt. So let's go to another prompt, and let's see this one, how to start a side hustle. And this is going to be a minimalistic style. Nah, let's look at something else. Side by side comparison. Now this is these images are difficult to create, so let's see what this does for us. All right, I'm going back to ideogram. I'm going to type it in there. I'm using 1 credit. Now model 2.0 is even better, so if you want to upgrade this plan and get the paid version, and you can use version 2.0, which is a lot better than what we see now. Okay, so let's generate this and see. In the meantime, let's browse through some of the images and see what people have been creating. I work too much. Okay, you can create logos. Look at this one for a podcast, Gampy Fishing Podcast Live. Very nice selection of these designs and stuff. Okay, so our images are generated. Let's check what happened. Home gym versus commercial. No text on this, so that's not going to be useful for us. But check this out. Home gym versus commercial gym. Nice. Another one. Home gym, commercial gym. I think this was the same image as the first one. Yeah, almost the same, right? Almost the same. But there's text here. And this can be just directly downloaded and used in our videos, right? Home gym versus commercial gym. Nice selection of colors also. There's good contrast in the uh, font versus the image. Okay, the font stands out and it looks good. You don't need to spend too much time doing anything else. You just need to come here, get your video ready, come here into ideogram, put in your prompt, and your image is ready. Okay, now you may ask me, how do I get prompts that give me these kind of images? I know I'm not going to be able to type all of this. You might be able to, but do you want to? When you have ChatGPT to help you with it? Okay, so I've got a little prompt here. I would like to create 5 YouTube thumbnails in different styles. Here are some examples that I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of split screen image with the title, side by side comparison with title, person shocked expression with title, etc. And so I'm asking ChatGPT to suggest some image descriptions and appropriately short titles. And I'm asking it to embed the title within the image description. Pick random topics. Okay, so I just did this for the sake of this video to show you how ideogram can do things. Let's try one more. What shall we choose? High energy action. So let's see what it does with this high energy action. So if you were tasked with developing an image or a thumbnail for a high energy kind of image, what would you choose as a background? What would you choose as a foreground? What kind of graphics would you use in that design? Let's see what ideogram thinks and gives us. Okay, so in just a minute we'll know what. Okay, there we go. It's 59% complete. Oh yeah, it's done. Check it out. High energy. These are graphics that show high energy or something that's moving. How to boost your productivity fast. Great image. Okay, let's look at another one. How to boost your productivity fast. The font is kind of nice. Let's look at another one. This font is nice. But this guy looks like a ghost. Right? Look at his eyes. There's something dripping from his eyes. Let's look at this one. Wow, look at this. Boost productivity fast, and you've got icons of calendars and clocks and to-do lists and things that symbolize something that's related to time and doing it fast. So do you think this is beautiful? All you have to do is put in the prompt and your image is ready. Now this image I would not use because it's kind of not positioned properly. It's awkwardly positioned, so I might not use that. But this is a good one. But I don't like the font, so I'm going to choose this one. But I don't like his face. Now you can go on talking negative things like that about all the images, but you'll definitely find something to use. And if you don't like any, and if you're okay with using another credit, generate it once more, you'll get 4 more images that you can pick and choose from. So this in short is my secret to creating great looking YouTube thumbnails without any effort. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, the link to this tool is in the description below, ideogram.ai. I'll also paste in the snippet of the prompt that I use to generate these image descriptions. Okay, so you can go to the description below and you can find the description or the prompt also, so you can start using it right away. And again, remember, you have just 10 credits. If you want to use the model 2.0, that gives you maybe, just maybe, I'm just doing it. So let's create one more with version 2. Let's do this one, pop culture version 2, and let's see what it comes up with. You never know, you might like version 1 better than 2. So let's see. 7% done, 21, 35, 49, it's fast. 63, sometimes it's very slow, but wait for it, it'll be done, and it should be done with good quality. Generation complete. So let's see. Haha, movie characters who should have won. Interesting. Movie characters who should have won. Comic style. This is nice. Movie characters who should have won. That's a lot of image, right? So what do you think? What do you think this version 2? Anyway, I'll leave you to test out version 1 and 2. Start out with version 1. And of course, you can generate a lot of different images, not just YouTube thumbnails. You can generate logos for yourself. Just give a good description for your brand and talk about what you want in the title and the subtitle, or the title and the tagline, or the title and the slogan, or however you want to put it across to the tool, and the tool will generate high quality logos for you. Now there's one thing I need to tell you. If you want to download these images, so you can download, but you will be able to download only 70% quality of JPEG, and the PNG you cannot download because it's locked, because we are on the free version. If you want to download PNG versions of these images which are high quality really, then you have to upgrade. That's the only caveat in this, but apart from that, a great tool. I use it very often. I'm sure you'll find it useful too. All right, so that's it for today. That's it for now. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.